My hubby made this delicious Thanksgiving turkey, and it was so delicious I had to share it with you. I think you can tell by looking at it how juicy and delicious it is. But he did learn from the best. His dad was a cook in a restaurant in Manhattan. The funny thing is, one year my hubby volunteered to make the turkey, and I was like, okay, since I wasn't a very good turkey maker, and it was the most incredible turkey I've ever had. So let me show you his recipe. In this recipe, we're using a 20-pound turkey because we had a lot of guests. We used 8 tablespoons of jarred garlic. For next year, I think we're going to crush the garlic into a paste. That's the only change I would make. My hubby used 4 tablespoons of salted butter underneath the skin, cut in small pieces, and then the rest of it he rubbed on the turkey on both sides. The remaining half a stick of butter he stuck in the cavity of the turkey. Now he's applying some adobo all over the turkey, followed by some oregano and fresh ground pepper. Flip the turkey and season it the same way on the other side. The nice thing is that all these ingredients are ingredients you probably already have. Now he's putting some garlic under the skin and gonna season the turkey the same way on the top side. Use adobo, oregano, garlic, and black pepper. I apologize the angles aren't the best because we were getting ready for Thanksgiving and a house full of guests. Now add your garlic. Just keep in mind that jarred garlic is milder than fresh garlic. Add 2 cups of orange juice or pineapple juice and 1 cup of chicken broth. The turkey is sitting on a rack, and I would encourage you to invest in a roasting pan. The turkey will be more stable and you won't have dripping into your oven, and you have a pan to use for years to come. Bake at 325 covered for 15 minutes per pound and uncover the last 30 minutes. When the internal temperature is 165 Fahrenheit and the juices run clear, it should be ready. Baste and inject every 45 minutes. Now the turkey is resting, waiting for the expert carver, his dad, to arrive. It turns out the breast was perfectly cooked, but the dark meat was a little underdone, so we separated the dark meat and put it back in the oven with the skin side up for another 15 minutes, and we had double the skin and both meats cooked to perfection. I hope your turkey comes out great and you have a delicious feast. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.